professional, problem-aware, operations-focused. Multi-location stores often have different teams at each warehouse. Without automated routing, the wrong team gets notified, or no one does. Let's ask Sidekick to build a workflow for this. Sidekick understands the request and starts building the logic in Shopify Flow. Here's our draft. It triggers on new orders, checks the assigned fulfillment location, and emails the matching warehouse team. The workflow starts the moment a new order is created. It loops over every fulfillment order on that order. First, it checks if the location is Warehouse A. If it matches, it sends an internal email alert for Warehouse A. Then it checks for Warehouse B and alerts that team when it matches. Same for Warehouse C, sending their alert next, and finally Warehouse D, alerting the last team. Each fulfillment location now has its own path, so the right warehouse team gets notified. Turn the workflow on. From now on, the right team gets the right alert instantly.